A flood in the engine room has occurred in MV Tarantelia, and one of the cadets first observed the breach.
This is engine cadet nearest. There's a flooding inside the engine room, sir, and I cannot stop it, sir.
Report has been acknowledged. Tell the second engineer to give me the current situation in the engine room and what kind of assistance is required.
Affirmative, sir. There is flooding in the engine room and it is now about 6 inches high. We need assistance from the emergency bilge section.
I will send an assistance there and find the breach that caused the flooding and fix it urgently. I will also send there some medic for medical assistance.
Aye, sir.
This is Chief Engineer Ramiro reporting, sir, that there is currently flooding in our engine room and I am now sending assistance for bilge suction and some medics in the area.
Copy that. Tell the medic to have a report for the current status of the personnel and also fix the breach urgently as you can.
Aye, sir.
This is Camis and Leonardo reporting that no injured in this area.
Copy. Tell the third engineer to have a report as soon as possible.
Aye, sir.
Third Engineer Climaco, this is a mechanic from Emergency Response Team and is now reporting that a flood is under control.
Copy that. Please give me the update from time to time.
Aye, sir.
This is Third Engineer Climaco reporting the flooding in the engine room is under control.
Copy that. Please give me report from time to time.
Aye, sir.
And that is the scenario and flow of communication on board ship if flooding will occur. Thank you and God bless.